Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yeah, to start out today, I am looking at closing out a call I had on NVIDIA. I personally believe we still have a little more downside coming for us. So because of that, actually that's a pretty strong break right there. Skittles, good morning. Rick, good morning. Appreciate y'all stopping through today. Oh shoot, two viewers, 2 likes. Hey, the best ratio I've ever had. Oh dang, we jumped up to 16. The likes aren't there anymore. Well, had to enjoy it while it lasted. But yeah. Good morning. Grateful to have each and every one of y'all here. Got some stocks that should stock this morning. Kings and Queens, let's go. Good morning, brother B. Tyrone, good morning. All right, what are we looking at today? Right now, got my eyes on the SPY. Got my eyes on the Qs. Got a trend line up here. Kind of similar setup on the SPY and the Qs, but it's like the Qs, I have like kind of wider range targeted. So it's just things look a little different. Gamzilla, good morning. Good morning. Another one that looks really interesting to me, I really like the idea of, so yesterday Tesla, there was another trend line like over here. Tesla broke it, kind of went crazy after hours. But now there is another trend line. This one I think is a little stronger. We zoom out on Tesla. I say if we touch this, I like the idea of this being my kind of play for the day because my day trades in this account, I'm kind of out. So I'm probably not going to take a day trade today, but I might like watch for the setup. All right, so first things first, I'm closing out of that NVIDIA call I had. I took a loss on it. I'll share that with the Discord. I think there will be a better time and opportunity for that, but yo, give me a second. Gotta update the family. Let's see. Go to the Discord. Everyone. Oh, let me send the pic. Just took an L on NVDA. Cut out for $2.49. Okay. All right, let's see. Henry, good morning. Sufo, good morning. Yoko's Larry, good morning. Lamar, good morning. Massive drop by like Eli Lilly. Here, let's see. What do we want to look at? So one thing I could see happening, we kind of swept here. I could see the SPY making a move down for something like this. I'm not in the trade. But say, even if we enter right now, a move like this looks reasonable. This might be something that takes like all day. Another thing I was looking for potentially though was for a rise up here. If we get like, if SPY comes up here and touches this trend line up here, I'll go short and long. I'll be cool with doing both. And one of them's going to outpace each other with the places that the targets are. So I'm going to kind of like just slow it down, let things play out. Let me go to like a 15-minute. Actually, let me clear this out so no one gets confused and think, oh, he took a trade. I have not taken any trades. I would be willing to find something other than Nvidia to look at. So Rick, you said massive drop by Eli Lilly. Is that Eli Lilly? What's their ticker? Like Lilly. That's not one I normally trade though. Oh no, hold up. It looks like the right symbol, but oh wait, there it is. Oh yeah, that's a pretty big drop. Eli Lilly now expects Q4 revenue of about, okay, so it looks like they might have guided down. Okay. All right, interesting. So as we start these earnings season, we just got our first kind of guide down. All right. All right, so Tesla's over here at this trend line. All right, so I'm a little bit wait, what's today? Today's Tuesday. All right, so I'm a little bit eager with this one here. Let me go up to a 1 hour on Tesla real quick, see what it's looking like. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Oh, these are expensive. Where'd Tesla just come from? Yeah, let me take one more look at Tesla. I got one I got my eye on, but see if it gets cheap enough. If it gets cheap enough, I'll tell y'all I got it. But I want to get it first. Derek, good morning. T.R. Lincoln, good morning. Henry, good morning. Chase, good morning. Hakeem, good morning. 80, good morning. You think it's going to be short and long? I think we could go up before we go down. So I think it's going to be both. Like if you want, right now I say if you want a short, you might want to wait. But I think money can be made both ways. I think the larger trade, if you want to ride for the furthest distance, is going to be to the downside. But I think the first half of the day we're going to be working our way up. Oh yeah, be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to hit the like button. All right, we hit our budget price, I think. All right. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Let's see if we can get it. All right. Let me quickly. So this will likely be a swing. I'm not expecting it to play out today, but I grabbed the 375 Tesla put that expires this week. All right, I'm looking at that trend line. If it ends up breaking out, like really breaking out today, then this is going to be an L. But I paid 98 for it. It's currently going for like 88. So I'm currently down $10. But I'm going to share this to the Discord real quick. Give me a moment. Yeah, I may be premature. Oh yeah, because right now it looks like it's actually breaking out, but I'm hoping that this is liquidity on the 4 hour. So yeah. Share this with the family. Oh, it looks a lot better on the 4 hour. So yeah, let me paste, share. Wait, it was what did I say? 375 Tesla put. That expires January 17th. Paid 98 per share. Hoping that this trend line rejects on the 4-hour chart. Hoping to take profit tomorrow. All right, got that in there. So that's kind of like a hope trade. That's not like yeah, I'm early on that, so we'll see. We'll watch the development of that. All right, let's see. And on ERNA, let's take a look at ERNA. Sheesh, what do you say at 48 cents? Let's go to a 5 minute, see how that's been moving. Sheesh, okay. Got in fast. That thing moving. All right, Angie B, good morning. Some Asian guy, morning. Let's see. And wait, what's that? D Community, good morning, bro. Hey, yesterday was your birthday. Happy birthday, or happy late birthday. Hope it was a good one. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Ty, good morning. It's looking good this morning. My kind of thesis for today, or kind of like what I would expect. I expect we come up, we either test this line, or we test this one, and then we come down and start making lows. We may not like make the lows today, but I think we start making them today. So that's kind of what I would think. Tesla, this one's gonna be hard to look at because I don't know. I'm hoping on the 4-hour it's just liquidity, because actually looking at it, now that I'm looking at it, if we back up a little bit, there's good amount of resistance right here at this 420 level. If it breaks through, Tesla could actually run. But yeah, I'm watching this on the 4-hour too. Here, I'm gonna leave Tesla on the 4-hour for now, just so I don't get like too antsy, because I'm not taking profit on that today anyway. Let's see. My life be like, hey, howdy, good peoples. My life be like, where are you located? What state are you in? Rajetti Rips. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a good little takeoff today. Let's check the other quantum. Oh yeah, RGTI. We got sound. We got QUBT, RGTI. Where's the other one? QBTS. Yeah, all of them are up. Like, wait, do I have IonQ on this list? Let's see how that's doing. I bought like 5 shares of that yesterday. IonQ is not going up quite as hard. Okay. Palantir, good moment. Oh, I need to pay attention to that. I forgot I still have a contract in that. So Palantir is actually where I would think its resistance is. So this was a level that I was kind of wanting to get out, but if it here, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, if it's still even worth anything, I'm gonna get out of that call I had, because I don't think that's happening at the moment. Ooh, my Robinhood's acting up though. Let me see. Let me try to open that again. Just became a paid member. on in the Patreon. Hey, welcome, family. Appreciate that, Rick. Yeah, if you have any trouble like getting connected on Discord, like shoot me a DM. Yeah, I'm gonna cut out that Palantir. I'm not sure if this is one I posted in Discord, so let me go check. Let's see. Yeah, let me updates on PLTR. This one died. I think this is the best opportunity to get what's left. All right. So yeah, I just cut out a Palantir. I actually wanna. I'm gonna add one to the watch list to short on Palantir, and it's gonna be an entry right here. So if I were to get okay. So I'm going to right here. Oh wait, here. We'll call it entry right here. I bought a $66 Palantir put, and I paid $100 for it. And we'll see kind of how that plays out. Go down to a 1 hour chart. Ideally, yeah, that has the opportunity to come into the money. So kind of put my eyes on that, see how that ends up playing. Oh, hold up. See how that ends up playing out. Oh, Tesla looks like it's rejecting there a little bit. All right, so that Palantir, let's see. Yeah, I'm not doing a real day trade today, but this is my quotations day trade. Where's my Palantir? Oh, I guess it shows I added at 102. Thought I had it at 1, but 100, but I got in at 102. So this Palantir is my day trade for the day. All right, let's see. Skittles, I had my take profits too tight. Gonna reload, but hey, nice quick $80. Good stuff. That's lunch at a lot of places. Or well, that's lunch for a few people. Tommy, good morning. Northwest Florida. I had to ask because you said howdy. You know, that's how we talk in Texas. Gene, good morning. Lisa, KY, is that a stock or Kentucky? Or is that you like saying where you're from? I'm assuming that's you saying where you're from, Kentucky. Lisa from Kentucky. Lucky J, good morning. Good morning. Yes, let's go. Let me give you a little life right there. That's like 4 or 6 Chick-fil-A meals, right? Hey, nice. I'm curious. Like, yeah, I'm kind of curious. I feel like a lot of like fast food restaurants, like for instance, In-N-Out, a meal like an In-N-Out, like the number one, I'll say it's probably like $8 after taxes in Texas, but I feel like it would not be that price in California. I feel like it's probably a lot more. So I'm just curious. Matthew, did you get in that AIF? No, I did not. I don't think I saw it. Hold on one second. It's like I have my notifications on Instagram off, so if I'm not on Instagram, I just don't see it. Okay, I'm seeing them now. Okay, I see a video you sent. I didn't watch it yet. Okay, I see it. I just didn't see it in time. Let's take a look at it though. Yeah, after a certain point, I just ooh, shoosh, my goodness. What time frame is it? This is on the 15-minute chart. Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know. Brian told me about that at 7:43. So yeah, right in here when it was about 3:50. Hey yo, I could be up a solid like 50% right now. Hey, shout out to Brian right there. I'm gonna need to watch that video later. So that Palantir put is up $15. Oh, it's moving around. It's moving around, but Palantir is moving. It's doing its thing. Let me check in on the Tesla real quick. Hey, that Tesla put, it's up 12%. Ideally, let's see. Oh, hold up. I might be looking at this Tesla put wrong. I don't even know where this came from. So the Tesla put I grabbed, I think ideally, oh wait, hold up. I don't know, it's like I have this target way down here, but I think the target's really just maybe about, honestly, not that far. Let me go to a 1 hour. I think I have the wrong target on that Tesla put. So maybe the target is like, target might be like 411. But I'm in and I'm riding it now. It could end up coming down, retesting this 380 level. That would be nice. But yeah, that put is not, like, now that I'm looking at it, it's not supposed to go as far as I thought it was. So it's possible that it ends up breaking past this, but I'm hoping this trend line has more strength. But that Palantir put, that should be good to go. Or at least where I drew it to. Yeah, to that like 65. All right, let's see. Yeah, this AI Firefly. Let's call it AI Firefly. Hey, that looks like money. Yeah, let's see. I looked up, I got Dell at 110 this morning, 2 shares. Coffee time. Where's Dell trading at? Hold on, let's see. Okay. Oh, Dell had popped up, but it's coming back down. Go back. Then OBR on the SPX pointing out. Oh, I want to let y'all know. I noticed that on yesterday I was looking on Derive AI. They have index options now, or suggestions. I saw they had one for SPX. I was like, oh, that's wild. Let's see. Oh, it's 10 in Cali? Oh, that's not that bad. That's not as bad as I was thinking. I was thinking it'd be like 15 or something. All right, so Palantir, we're up 25% on. Yeah, so this Palantir, this is going to be the kind of trade for the day. I wasn't able to take it myself because I didn't have a day trade, but hey, we definitely like called it out. So that's 30%. That's a happy number right there. That is a happy number. Let's see. Back in ERNA. Oh, that's the one you were in earlier. Let's see. Oh yeah, that thing moving. Looking good. Oh yeah, Palantir, it's up 42%. Yeah, let's see if we can come back down. Let's see. Are we even moving on Tesla too? Hold up, let's see. We got 32% on the Tesla, and we got, yeah, once again 42% on Palantir. Good quick little move on Palantir. Let's see. SoFi is going crazy. SoFi. What's going on with SoFi? Oh yeah, it's a good little morning for SoFi. It's up. I wouldn't call this going crazy, but it's a good little morning for SoFi. Up like 2%. This is one I average into daily. We like it. Let's see. AMD's down. I average into that one daily too. Let's see what's going on with the AMD. Cool. Yeah, I think I may end up picking up a second call on AMD, like averaging down on it. So I would like to see AMD, like, I have AMD can potentially come back to the 100, so hey, it is what it is. It looks like, honestly, to me, it looks like there's a good chance of us coming back down. I noticed we kind of gapped down on the PCE. All the puts were closed out. The Dixies a little up. It's like we went up more than we went up more on the SPY than I think we went down on the dollar. How do you join the Discord? Here, let me send a link. I'm sorry, I'm like a little slow on these comments. I'm sure it's been there for a minute. Let's see, where's it at? So that's one way to get in. If you want to see like the plays that I call out, that's you gotta go through the link in the description, like just under this video, and it'll say join the Patreon. But they're the same Patreon. It's like you just have access to a few more channels if you get like the membership or whatever. Nicole, good morning. Is ELEV a good long? Oh, let's see. I mean, honestly, here. Let me look at it myself first. In my opinion, I'm gonna say, like, if you know something, if you know like a lot more about this company, yes. Like if there is stuff you actually know, but I'm gonna say, like, just a quick overview, market cap and everything, I'm gonna say no. Does it hold a lot of good potential? Yes, it does. A lot of good potential. This could end up being big, but just kind of where it stands, no. But I do see it has like a good target price. Like, someone has a $6 price target on it. So it's like, it could be, but from where it stands, it's not like one of those good solid companies. So there's no real way to know. But if you have like some kind of inside information and you knew the financials and knew like everything. Dang, hold up. Why is Meta down here? Hold up. Several financial institutions have raised their targets for Meta platforms with Morgan Stanley. Okay. I don't know. I see it. I have seen a lot of people like upset with like Meta and all, and like Instagram and all that, because they're like, oh, you're getting TikTok banned and all that. We're not going to use Instagram. We're going to use all these other platforms because y'all are the reason that we aren't going to have TikTok. Blah blah blah. But ultimately, I still think the platform's going to thrive. All right, that Palantir trade is up 55% now. Let's check on Tesla. The Tesla trade is up 33. But yeah, this Palantir is playing out like perfectly. Here, let's see. We up 30 from Tesla. ERNA eating team another 27. Is Derive AI worth it for the paid subscription? It kind of depends. Like, it depends on how you're using it. Like, yeah, 100%. It depends on how you're going to use it. If you're just going to kind of use it to blindly follow plays, I'm going to say no, it's not going to be worth it, because a lot of those plays are like a lot of them go nowhere. It's like a lot of them they hit, but a lot of them go nowhere. And if you're kind of just blindly following and not charting, you will lose your money. But if you're like market research wise, have any other platform that has similar information and whatnot, there was one. I don't remember what it was called, but I tried it out for like a month. It was like a month-long free trial. And then the second month, I got charged for like $200. I was like, oh no. So it's like stuff like that usually costs a lot more money. So it's like, if you know how to use it, yeah, it's worth it 100%. But yeah, if you don't know the chart or whatnot, it's like not. But actually, I would argue it still is, because of like the AI and stuff. Let's see. Good morning. Thoughts on Archer? Like, when you say Archer Aviation, what kind of thoughts are you looking for? Are you looking for trade thoughts? Are you looking for? Wait, hold up. What's the ticker for it? I know what stock you're talking about, but wait, what's it? AC something. I don't remember the ticker for it off the top of my head, but I know what you're talking about. Spy dipping. Hey, it's all part of the plan. We'll also have to watch this level down here when it comes down here, see what it does. So we got Palantir up like, was just up 57%. But yeah, Palantir's doing this thing. This is the first place I would like consider taking profits. It kind of ran to this first level of support. Like, ultimately, I would look for it to come to this 65.45 level, but it's like it doesn't necessarily have to. Yesterday, spied and it hasn't hit my target yet. Did luckily get out with some profit on that spy trade, but yeah, that thing tried to run away yesterday. So yeah, ACHR, as of right now, I mean, this isn't one that I like fully know the fundamentals on, so I don't really have much to say. It's currently in a downtrend, currently close to an area of support around $8, but it's in a downtrend. So as of right now, I would look to trade it to the downside. How far will AMD fall? So, oh wait, why is Mag 7 struggling more than others? I don't know, maybe it's a rotation. They probably have the most to fall, but If you look at Tesla, Tesla's doing great. Tesla's Max 7. How far will AMD fall? The next like area, like major area, like if it falls below 110, I think it could fall. Here, let me see. I had, where is it? Where's AMD? So for some reason I have this 110 or 111 level like as an alert. I don't remember why. But the next demand zone, this might be weekly, is from 102.22 as low as 93.34. So that's very well a possibility, but you know, if we fall down there, hey, you know I'm scooping up. APLD has earnings. Oh, I have nothing to say about earnings. It's like I can't speak on earnings. So are they after hours? First off, I would say like I don't know. They're in an uptrend. Yeah, they're in an uptrend. I would say would have been nice to pick them up kind of towards the end of yesterday, but hindsight's 2020. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that, honestly. I've never been good with earnings. And yeah, mood. Palantir is doing this thing. It's up 44 now, but its downtrend still looks pretty strong. Nice. The options game is intriguing. I'm growing. Wait, I'm more comfortable growth in long term. No, yeah, I feel you. Yeah, I feel you. That's why I want to like start sharing more than on my channel. I think that's the better way for most people. Honestly, it's even the better way for me. Sometimes I'm not mentally in a place to trade options. So Cassie is good morning. Hey, appreciate y'all letting me know. It's ACHR. Hi, good morning. What's going on? The 30-minute chart of the SPY. Should I anticipate? 30 minutes not one I like look at too commonly. It's like me personally, I had us sweeping this level up here, maybe touching this trend line, which we already did. And then I think the first target would be, oh, you said 578.50, so yeah, somewhere in that range, but I would maybe target 580 first. But that's me zooming down to like, I'm not watching on a 30-minute. That would be me this is based off the 4-hour. So from that, it's like looking at the 4-hour from that happening, you gotta understand that this could take a little bit more time. So looking at it on a day, it may not necessarily do that today. Could do it overnight, could do it towards the end of the day. But it's like kind of just gonna take some patience to see where it's gonna go. Because right now it's looking like if we were like really drop down, really kind of just consolidating in a tight range. All right. Hi. Good morning. Oh wait, you just told me that. Up 300 on Hood call. Oh, what's going on with Hood? They up like that? Oh yeah. Dang. Okay. Why is Hood up? Is Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin's up. I didn't think it was up like that. Where are all the other? Okay, so Mara. Yeah, Hood is definitely beating the other crypto plays. Mara's up 4. Riot's up 6. I mean, it's not beating Riot too much of a crazy amount. Yeah, we're kind of going up a little bit though. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff, Jay Wells. Femi, good morning. I'm in a 135 call for Nvidia. I actually sold out of my calls this morning on Nvidia, and it looked like it was a good decision. I mean, you can make money with the 135 call, but I do expect us to come lower personally. But yeah, you can make money with that depending on where your entry was. ERN Wait, ERNA, not to spam, but yippee. Oh, you're yeah, let's see how it's moving. Okay. What you told us around, like, your first entry was like 48. Let's see where that is. See where that takes us. Where's that tool? Oh, here it is. So let's put it at 49. Okay, that's like a 64% return. I know you've been in and out a little bit, but hey, that's some good stuff right there. All right, so we're pulled back on Palantir. Tesla is here. Let's see. Now it's just 7-8% on Tesla. I still believe there's more to come. I'm on 100 call for Walmart. Let's take a look. Let's see what we looking like at the $100 calls. Wait, let's go on the 4 hour. I would want to see this get swept first. $100 call. That's a big run. That's like a huge run, actually. Well, I mean, if you don't expect it to go all the way, that's one thing. But yeah, that would be a huge move for Walmart. How much time do you have on that $100 call? Josh, good morning. Getting that bag. Start thinking like this. 500 shares, all you need. 50. Hey, 100%. Yeah, if I have a higher confidence, I'll get like 500, but as of right now, it's like I just grab 100 whenever you share stuff. Like if it's nice and cheap like that. I need to run an account that I am willing to trade like that in up to 25K so I can take more of these trades. All right, spy going back to retest that line. Yeah, we might just be bouncing around for a little bit. Made 647 on the spy put. Nice. Till the 30. Okay, you got a little bit of time. Yeah, just make sure you pay attention to the delta and the theta. Always want that delta to be higher than your theta. Said 9:12. So we've been live for just under 45 minutes. Facts. Okay, I have a cash account so I can trade. I can trade unlimited trades until I run through my. Yeah, I feel that to an extent. I just I have a margin account because there are certain other strategies I will implement as well, like with options. So because of that, I don't have a cash strategy. And there's a cash account, and there's one account I could have a cash account because I'm not going to utilize those strategies on, but I do have an option in it, so I can't switch it until I close out that option. But it's going to be some time before I close it out. Because knowing me, the one day I close it out will be the day that it makes the move that I was expecting. Robinhood telling me Nvidia is currently down. Yeah, Nvidia is down. Wait, you mean for the whole day? Wait, where is? I thought we had Nvidia pulled up. Let me see what Robinhood tells me. Let's see, Robinhood, Nvidia. No, it shows me it's. Oh wait, it might be because your time zone. Because it shows me the same as what I see right here on the screen, where it says it's up 94% or 94 cents, 96 cents. So I think it might have to do with your time zone and where you are. That's just Robinhood saying they're watching you. Yeah, but I closed out of. I had a Nvidia call. I want to say 146 call for February 7th, and I had to close out today because I could see Nvidia coming back to retest this level over here. This 120, like probably retest 128. Moolah, good morning, fam. Let's get this bread. Hey, that's what we're here to do. All right, so that Palantir trade is like I'm just watching it, but yeah, right now it looks like topped out at 57%. That was still good money though. Tesla, it's still doing all right. ERNA getting to 100 or $1. Yeah, that's solid right there. Here, let's come back down to a 5. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's money right there. About 81% from when you first made contact. I missed the ERNA bus, came to the stream too late. Could have got it at 70, but I seen your average was 55. Hey, you know they say the early bird gets the worm. But sometimes in the stock market, it hurts being early. SoFi up 5% now. Politicians started buying. And I'm gonna need them to slow down. I would like my position to build. So, oh yeah, I'm up like 8.65% on my SoFi position overall right now. Yeah, I'm up on my PayPal too. These are like, well, SoFi is not as new. Said I told you, SoFi to the moon. Yeah, SoFi is running. It's running. It's cool. Dang, ERNA is still running too. Let's get a peep of the 4-hour chart. All right, ERNA. honestly, I would say like just before, I would say this 90, I would say like 98, 99. Me looking at the chart and looking at what I've seen from like past experience, I would probably try to take profit at like 98 or 99 or like move my stop like right there because I'm like, yo, that looks like I would like tighten my stop a lot more because I'm like, that looks like where it's probably done. Otherwise, it could come back down a lot and you can get a much better entry, but it's probably like pulling back significantly after that point. I'm trying to make sense of these penny stock plays. I'm like learning every time Brother B comes through and like post something new over there about it. All right, picked up SoFi February 17th calls. Can't believe I DCA through the dip and got 114 shares. Oh yeah, where's KULR right now? Oh, they already popped back up like that. They did hit one of my targets, but then I saw another one. Oh no, they came really close to one of my targets. I was saying I was going to buy 100 shares like if they hit this level. They'll be back. They will be back. They always come back. But yeah, good stuff right there. All right. My heaviest allocation is still Microsoft. I'm reading through the Steve Jobs biography right now. Yo, Bill Gates, he's kind of like, I thought Steve Jobs was kind of like rude and heartless. Steve Jobs is not Steve Jobs. No, yeah, Steve Jobs, but Bill Gates. Yo, homie is kind of heartless himself. I'm like, dang, he's kind of on the same level. Like he's perceived to be like a more kind. Actually, a lot of the world doesn't like him now because of all his involvement with the. I'm not going to get into it. There's a lot of conspiracies, yeah. But yeah, Bill Gates. I'm gonna say the stuff I am reading from this biography. Wait, hold up. I've been in RNA since 47. I'm going to do another big buy. Yeah, my eRNA target for the day is 98. It might go a little past that, but that's my eRNA target for the day. Bill Gates, is he okay? I don't like Bill Gates. I mean, I didn't like him from kind of like the conspiracies and stuff I've heard, but I thought he was a nicer guy, or at least publicly facing. I thought he was nicer, but now I know it's kind of one-sided. I'm not going to deny that, but now that I've read this kind of well, actually, it's not even one-sided. But now that I've kind of read this, what is it? Or am reading this Steve Jobs biography, it's like, yo, he's kind of like ruthless like Steve Jobs as well. It's like all these people at the top, you know, they did some nasty things to get there. I'm like, dang, I thought I thought Bill Gates at least did it a little better. I thought he was a little bit more respectable about it, but come to find out, no, they're like doing things behind each other's backs while they're supposed to be cool. Like, that's not right. I wouldn't want to do business with them. Zuckerberg, I don't know. It's like, you know, he seemed heartless and seemed like I don't know. It's like Zuckerberg is trying to be cool now. He's like that dude that I don't even know how to describe, but Zuckerberg is trying to be cool, so I'm just sitting back watching. We'll see. Do you think Palantir will drop? What do you mean, AG? Yeah, I think Palantir is gonna come down even more past this. Like, I think everything is going to make new lows. Will it happen today? I don't know, but I think new lows are coming. Like we will test new lows again. I think it will happen at some point this week. So I think this Tesla is going to be money on the swing. I think Palantir is money. Here, let's see. I kind of want to get 100 shares of KULR. Yeah, it's like it's a super long term move. It's not anything I want to like go crazy on, but yeah, me too. Maybe more, but rhymes with Zepstein. Hey, when it comes to him, honestly, I don't think I know much about him. I know about the island and the trials and stuff, but like before that, I had no idea who he was. I wasn't like involved. I wasn't like aware of all this stuff, and honestly, I would say since 2020, I've been like very awakened to all this stuff. And you said goodness, you said Zuck is a chameleon. Yeah, I'm very well familiar with that kind of ideology, and it's like, yo, I would not put it past. It's like this is all conspiracy. It's like I can entertain both sides of it. It's like, yo, he could be a chameleon, but he could also just be somebody who does not know how to connect. And it's like, I don't know. Because it's like, I know people who legit, they're people, and they do not know how to connect with people. They struggle to make connections with people. So it's like, in a sense, I feel for them. And I don't know. It's like, yeah, as long as he's not harming me. Actually, his businesses and company may in a way be harming me, like my focus and whatnot. Bro, it's the Diddy effect. Low key, Puff might not take it to try. That's wild. That's wild. I don't know. Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna say all this stuff is weird. Or yeah, it's weird, and like when you look back on it, it's like they've been telling us for years, and it's like they've been having like little jokes and all this stuff, and like they've had in cartoons, movies, TV shows. Some things like they blatantly just said, and it's like you didn't know that, you didn't understand the seriousness of what was being said until like once again hindsight is 2020. So hey, it's just craziness, honestly. Yeah, right now, market seems kind of meh. Seems like one of those meh days. Or maybe I'm just kind of impatient. We'll wait for the setup. I feel like there's something better. Hold on, let's see how XRP is looking. Let's see, where's that at? Okay, all right, so it's back up here trying to test this recent highs. Okay, that's cool. Check out eRNA. Did it break that level yet? Oh no, I didn't hit it yet. Yeah, I said my top target on eRNA, or the point I would eye for profit targeting today, was like 98 cents. Like right up here. Because if we zoom here, let's go back to a 4-hour. It'll probably actually come up a little above this. So that's actually, I guess that's like right at $1 or just below $1. But yeah, that's my target for the day on eRNA. Then I think it'll like sell off. That's just my take. I wonder how that guy took a house loan. How that guy a house loan for XRP is doing. Or Stellar Lumens. Let's see, Stellar. I didn't even know a guy did that. I mean, if he bought in over here, hey, he's probably doing all right. But if it was done anywhere over here, that sounds like trouble. Please look in the spy I was watching. So 585 is, it hit that pre-market. It actually hit that at open too, so it already hit that today. But 585 on the SPY is resistance. So if you watch my morning watch list, I said some things that I could see happening. So the market was here. Where is open? Market open was this candle right here. So I said I could see us coming, hitting this, and then doing something like this, and maybe doing this, or we do this and we kind of come down or something. But ultimately, I think the stronger push, like especially if we come up here, touch this line, is going to be to push down. But I would say less certainty about us necessarily coming up here. But it's like I would say the stronger influence is down from where we are at the moment. Because if we go up to a 4 hour, we are technically, this is a, is it? Let me go to a 1 hour real quick. This is a 1 hour supply zone. And looking at this supply zone, we haven't really gotten like a complete candle, except for this one. This one's like an indecision, like a reversal kind of candle. Other than this one, it looks like there's still a lot of heavy selling in this area, and I think we can easily be sold back down to make a low over here and test 575. So personally, I think there is more money to the downside than the upside. Like as we can see, the Palantir here is still playing out. The Tesla is kind of, I feel like Tesla's probably the best it's been today. Let's see how that Tesla's doing. So profit wise, it's up 26%, but I think like actual movement of the stock wise, I think this is the best position it's kind of been since I've entered the trade. Yeah, it is. So yeah, that could pick up some steam. Here, let's see. Will Nvidia bounce back? So Nvidia for me, right now I had like a call on Nvidia, and here, I can probably show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all what it looks like in my little Matthew's trade section. So if you, here, let me drag this over real quick, let y'all see. So right here with the Discord, you can see that, wait, where is it? So this morning I said looking to close Nvidia trade around market open. There is more downside in the coming days, so I may look at this later, but for now going to cut out and preserve my capital. This was me. I took L on the put this morning, like right at open. It was trading at about 136, 137 to that range. So I took my L, and now Nvidia is currently at 132. So I'm personally like I personally see more downside. Like this was kind of, this is what they would call a relief rally. Actually, if you look at Nvidia, you can see it kind of popped back up, and it retested this 13 EMA on the 4 hour. So now I would at least expect it to come out and take these lows. May not come to the lows today, but that's what I would what I'm looking for. ERNA reversal candle. Let's see. I guess it didn't hit my target. Maybe it's not done yet. Let's see, 5 minute. I mean, it's still like it's still riding the 13 EMA for now on the ERNA. So it's chilling for now. Waiting for KMI to blow up. Been sweeping. Yeah. It's KMI. This has very interesting price action. Let's go to a 4 hour. I'm not a fan of the way this moves. What would be blowing up for this? Like what would be good price movement? Because like just from what I'm saying, even if it jumped up here, I think there is like trading wise, I feel like there is like you get much better volatility in like almost anything else, personally. All right, we got AMD selling off some more. That's interesting. Yeah, it might be headed towards this next demand zone down here. I would love that. Oh, you say ERNA is back. Did it bounce off that? Okay. Okay, yeah, let's go for it. Let's go for it. All right, Palantir's trying to move back too. I think he's just about breaking even. I'm allocating my crypto into stocks and vice versa. Oh, okay, I see what you're talking about. Stocks and vice versa. So with conviction, I enjoy the idea of diversifying. Really like fintech. Feel that. Sharonda, good morning. Hit 38% on my IonQ puts. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. I picked up some shares of that yesterday, but yeah, way to push the price down for me. Yeah, ERNA doing its thing. Rigetti is Finn, brother B. I'm riding the slow train. Good stuff. Alright, let's see. Palantir moving. Yeah, Palantir is trying to go for the target again. Let's see. Let's see how that put's doing. Alright, so Palantir puts up 45%. Mahishu, good morning, good morning. The community Rigetti got me revenge trading. Oh no. Yeah, we don't want the revenge arc. We do not want it. Yeah, but SPY looks like it's yeah, we got continued kind of selling pressure. Man, what am I looking at? I don't understand none of this. All right, so right now I'm looking at 4 different stocks. Yeah, I could like suggest some videos for you to watch to kind of bring you up to speed when it comes to understanding this. Oh, hold on 1 second. I think maintenance is here. Give me a second. Keep making that refilling noise, whatever. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, here, what's going on? Yeah, so Palantir is still coming down. Tesla's coming down. Yeah, I'm currently getting my toilet fixed. If y'all hear anything going on in the background. But yeah, Tesla's moving. Palantir's moving. Let's see how Palantir's doing. Palantir's at 69%. Hey, it's almost done on Palantir. Yeah, we're looking. Oh yeah, Palantir's going for it. Yeah, it's at 75%. NNBR. Is that your next one? Oh, that thing already took off. Yeah, that thing's gone. Hey, what's your target for this, brother B? All right, y'all, 1 second. Let me give my wife a heads up real quick. Oh, you said I'm not in yet. Buy at 353. All right, let me. All right, so let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put my little byline right here at what'd you say? 353. SPY coming to 582. Yeah, I think SPY is ultimately the target would be like about 579 for me. It may not do it today, but that's what I'm looking for. If it picks me up, I'm good. If not, cool. All right, it picked me up and took off. Okay. Oh yeah, now it's really taking off. Okay, so that's about that's already made like a 15% move. Good morning, QUBT had a good move down, but I missed it. Here, let's see. Were you trying to ride puts or were you trying to like pick it up? Honestly, it still looks like a good level to pick it up. It's at 714. I think I picked up at like 923. But I do see it like coming a lot lower. Oh yeah, this thing is running, brother B. This thing is running. Yeah, that's already a quick 25%. Yeah, let it go. Let it go. NVIDIA looking sad. Let's see. Let's see where NVIDIA's at. So NVIDIA's at about 132. Yeah, I would say the next place I would watch for NVIDIA to kind of test if we like slow down the charts and everything. I would say I'm looking at what is it? Like 128. Moving up the stop loss. Need 450. Hey, looks like you got it. Where's the stop loss now? All right, so Hey, it looks like we hit just below 30%. Yeah, we got the Dixie selling off. We might end up going up some more. I don't know. It's like the Dixie's trying to catch up with the move today. Yo, it's wild to think this is a 5-minute chart. This looks like it would be like the hourly or something, the way it's moving. Good morning, just getting here. What did y'all buy today? So we had a put on Palantir, and I grabbed a put on Tesla. The Palantir put, this was just a watch list play because I wasn't going to be able to day trade. This was an intended day trade. The contract at its highest point has gone up to like 75, whereas Tesla, oh, we'll kind of see. Oh yeah, don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, to those of you that are unaware, like if you scroll down just a little bit and you look just below the video where the video is playing, there is an icon. It looks like a little thumbs up, right? And yeah, just below that little thumbs up, or like right there on that thumbs up, if you want to take your mouse and like hover over it and then do a little left click action right there on that thumbs up. Hey, it'll change the color of the thumbs up. And actually it'll what is it? Change the color of the thumbs up. It'll like the video, and just like that, the like button's been smashed. If you're on a mobile like an iPad, maybe a Galaxy Tab, we don't discriminate here, or an iPhone, anything like that, you just scroll down, take your finger, swipe the screen up, and then you just tap on it with your finger. First time here, I like your vibe, man. Are you live yeah, every day the market's open. First couple hours of whoa, what's going on here? Hold on. Yeah. But yeah, we're live every day. Market's open. I feel like even if I like travel or anything, I probably won't be live as long in the day, but if I travel anywhere, if I go anywhere interesting, I feel like I want to share it with y'all. I think that'd be cool. I know right now I'm just in my bedroom, so it's like
Already, sir. You're all squared away.
Oh, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate you. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, bro. Yeah, have a good day, man. Alright, so I gotta test my toilet. I'm not using the bathroom, so if y'all hear anything, that's what's going on. I think it works. I think we're good. I think. Alright. But back to the charts. Tesla is doing well. Palantir is kind of like chilling out a little bit, but Yeah, Tesla, hey, it might be going for it. I'd love for Tesla to come kind of back down here. It'll be like amazing. All right, welcome, Simon. Yes, welcome, Simon. Yes, thanks for the update. No problem. We rocking NMBR. Yeah, let it run up. Hold up. Yo, why is this? Oh, it's kind of in the way. Yo, so it kind of topped out 32%. Hey, looking good, looking good. These past few months be disappointing. Crypto down significant and stocks been in and out. Well, I think it depends on first off your outlook, like how long of a horizon are you looking at. Also, it depends on like what your strategy is. If you're just trying to hold single one way, yeah, it might be. If you change your lens and say, oh, a lot of opportunity to scoop stuff up, or I would say more recently, you kind of getting the opportunity to scoop stuff up. But if you're like, hey, there's a lot more opportunity to scoop things up, hey, we're looking good here then. But really, it's like the beauty is we've had volatility, so there is a lot of once again like opportunity to trade the back and forth. Whenever you're trading, you make you kind of make profit, and your opportunity is whenever the stock moves or stock or asset moves from one place to another. So really all that's been going on is opportunity. It's hard to make it's harder to make profit or know when to enter if you kind of miss the play whenever it's like running consistently like that. Whereas when you get the back and forth, you can make the money both ways. All right, Tesla is at the lowest point it's been today. Let's see how the contract's doing. Update on Palantir, it's up like 42%. Okay, Tesla, hey, we had 52% on that Tesla trade. That's the one I actually took today. Good stuff. Good stuff. Did I share that with the family? Let me see. Think I did. Yes, I most definitely shared that with the family. Let's go. I say Tesla's going down or done going down. It's possible, but like this is this Tesla trade is not supposed to be just a today trade. But it could be. So we'll watch it on the 4 hour. Because honestly, with Tesla, I would have I don't know. Right now it looks solid. So even on the 4 hour, right here, if you like look at, hold on, I gotta see where I drew. Okay, so right here, like if you look at that video I've made about kind of like the ranges and everything for day trades, you got a range right here. Hold on, I'm a little confused actually. No, hold up. One. Yeah, I'm a little. Oh no. That's not what it was. Okay, so I was looking at a different range. All right, so you got a range up here, right? Tesla came and pretty much sold off over here. You had like Tesla make, I guess you could say his first high was over here. Okay, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Where did I see this? Maybe it was a 1 hour chart. I'm over here looking on the 4. I saw something. I think it was. Who? Who's this? Yo, I saw it somewhere. I don't know where. It's not making sense. Yeah, I don't know. Do not know. Let me. No, yeah. So, no, here. This was a range right here. And then it kind of came up. Oh yeah, it still doesn't make sense. Let's go back to 1. I don't know where I'm finding it, but we'll leave that alone. Nvidia is still coming. Oh yeah, NNBR. I think that's done for now. But yeah, Nvidia is still coming down. Once again, target would expect for it to come to this low, but it wouldn't surprise me if it tried to make its way and use this trend line as a support. So yeah, Nvidia can definitely do some more moving down. But now I want to look at Tesla a little bit deeper now. All right, so Tesla up here very close to overbought. See it like return back over here or something. Let's go to oh, that's on the 1 hour. We're looking like on the 4. I was kind of chilling in the middle. Oh, I think I drew this line because this was like this is kind of like a triple top kind of look. That's what I was looking at on Tesla. So we got like a resistance right here at like this 421 level. We got this trend line right here. So those were like kind of 2 areas for it to reject. And then like as of right now, Tesla is just also in a downtrend. So that's what I think I was looking at. I don't think it was the strategy that I was talking about, because I don't necessarily see that at the moment, or at least not in the same way. I sold my Tesla puts and bought 425 calls. We'll see what happens. Well, I hope for your sake Tesla goes up. And it's like, I would be cool if Tesla wants to go up today and then continue this coming down tomorrow. I'd be cool with that 100%, because it's like I'm in this play till tomorrow. Brother B, is Hakeem here? He was, he works, so he kind of like listens while I'm oh, you're only in it for the day. Yeah, once I get out all my trades, hopefully I remember to get it. Dang, y'all see Meta? Meta is selling off. It's a 4-hour chart. Let's look at it on a 1 hour. I feel like Meta doesn't only pull back like this. Let's go to a weekly. Okay, it's pretty close to the weekly trend line, or weekly 13 EMA. The last 2 times it kind of touched it and bounced off pretty well. Something to keep in mind. Here, let me I want to show y'all something. Where is it? Alright, so I want to show y'all this real quick. Alright, right here we have some candlestick patterns. I want y'all to take a look at what we see here. Like, soak all this in. And then I want y'all to look and ask, Which one does Tesla most look like? Note this is a bearish candle. Let me close this down. Yeah, note that this is a bearish candle. We got like 1 hour left on this candle, so it's like a lot could change in an hour. But as of right now, this is a bearish candle. All right, let's see. Definitely in conjunction, crypto and stocks on lit. Looks like Meta and Snap didn't like that TikTok news. What was the TikTok news? Take screenshots. Yeah, 100%. Y'all take screenshots, but or just go look it up yourself. But yeah, what was the TikTok news? Here, let's see what it says about Meta. Or let's go to the news. Meta platform eyes cutting. Hey, that's bullish. I mean, not for the employees, but Meta platform's eyes cutting 5% of lowest performers. Why Tesla stock could be the ultimate Trump trade ahead of inauguration. Investors heavily search Meta platforms. Here's what you need to know. That trying to sell TikTok to Elon is interesting. Oh, that would be very interesting. I thought they wouldn't want to sell it. Hey y'all, give me a second. I'm gonna turn off my mic real fast. Give me a moment. I'm about to do something very loud. Wait, let me see if I can turn it off. Hold up. Yo, did y'all hear that? If y'all didn't hear that, that's cool. If y'all did, I'm sorry. Okay, hey, so we're moving down. Oh, cool. So I like vacuumed something in my room, and I didn't want to do that to y'all's ears. So okay, Tesla up 71%, Palantir up 65. Let's go. Let's get them targets. Let's get it. Yeah, once again, slip over here to the candlestick chart. To me, this looks most like a shooting star. We got Tesla right here. Still got an hour on this candle, but that's what lines up most to me. ERNA, big green. Here, let's go back to the 5. ERNA. Y'all know what my target is. Oh, Tesla's up 81% now. Yeah, Tesla's selling off. Because that contract is way out of the money. Oh, no, that's Palantir that's up 81%. Tesla's up 90%. Okay, Palantir is about to Hey, it's pretty close. It's going for it. It's going for it. Palantir, 85%. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. I'm not gonna lie, I probably would have been out of this Palantir trade at like when it hit like 55 over here. I probably would have been out of this trade, but since it's okay, spy broke too. So yeah, first one played out, came pulled over here. Um, next target from the spy from here, I would say in this range, I would say first target's like 580 or so. But ideally, I don't know. First target is going to be like, yeah, 579, like maybe 60. And then look over here to 579 and like 577.80. Then we look at 576. All right, made 500 on Nvidia put, so I just mace over. Ah, nice, nice. Hey, getting money. You know, if you do that every day this year, hey, that's a easy 6 figures. Or every day the stock market's open. All right, eRNA, hey, it's going for it. From top to bottom, or bottom to top, it's a 95% move. That's good money. How would you learn about trading on your own? I have tried to teach. I've tried to have someone teach, but bailed on me before he did. He showed me you. So I'm done for today. Y'all have a good day. Thought you were pretty good at explaining things. So I actually have some videos on my channel. There are several video assets. Here, let's see. Let me check my channel. I'll see if I can like send some links, but I would go to my, here, let's go to content. Let me search how to. Let me see. I'm gonna try to find like the most helpful looking ones. Let's see. So this is where I would start. This is a longer video, but it's like it's broken down into chapters. This will get you set up on a lot. Barlos. That's like the first place I would look. If you wanted to get into options, there are more videos, but I would say like this will familiarize you with a lot. That's kind of a longer one, but and then another one that's pretty popular. That kind of just explains to people. Here, let's see. Where? So this one is another good one as well. That's the plan, to just take, hey, good stuff. I'm all about learning this. I'm young and want to chase this. Oh yeah, it's definitely a good time. Good time to learn while you're young. It took years for it to click for me, but hey. Oh, and then one last one. I posted this one like not like within the past week, but this is one that people, let's see. This is a good one because this is one it took me like years to find. It may not make sense, but this took me years to find. But this strategy, day trading wise, is probably one of the best ones. It may not make sense to you though at first. I've been watching you for 2 days now, and I've learned so much from you. All my notes I've been feeling. Hey, when those notes can just become second nature. Hey, your work here, your time here is done. But hey, happy to be a part of your trading journey. Yeah, I'm honored. What you trading on? So this platform is called Trading View, but I'm trading on Robinhood at the moment. Thanks, Matt. Can you please shout here twice when to buy, call, or put? Well, yes and no. I can shout out twice when I buy calls or puts, but I cannot shout out when to buy calls or puts because, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, I can do it when I do it. But just to let y'all know, I'm not buying anything else today. I'm really just riding these trades. So this Tesla, I'm probably going to be in till tomorrow. Will it continue to go down into tomorrow? I don't know. I just didn't have any more day trades. I think there's a pretty good chance of this one. This one was intended to be a day trade, but they're both up pretty good. So just out of curiosity, is Skittles still here? Nah, man, I'm here to stay and learn more. I enjoy watching your students, especially being a 20-year-old college student. I appreciate that, family. I started trading when I was like I want to say like 21 or 22. Actually, I started like buying stocks, but it wasn't like, I don't know. Skittles, hey, just wanted to say, I haven't responded yet, but I saw it. You said something about on my last video. You said for educational purposes. I appreciate that. I'm like, you're low key making me a little bit better because it's like sometimes I don't think about these things, and I don't know. Either way, I appreciate it very, very much. Yeah, just wanted to say that. But yeah, I haven't gotten to the point where I'm like responding to those comments yet. I just saw it this morning, and like I try not to go crazy responding in the morning because when I start responding, I get a lot of responses, and I'm not trying to blow my head up in the morning. All right, so 19, ready to put my first 100 in. I like long-term stocks for the first 100, like that watch list. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, here's the free link. I'm gonna let you know. I'm not like, I do post in it every day, but I'm not like crazy active in it. Like I don't just like sit and chat in it just because I'm on the live stream. This is kind of my time to connect with, I guess, with the community. It's like I don't know, I have a hard time being on my phone because it's like so many distractions and it steals a lot of time away from me, so I try to like distance myself from my phone. But yeah, that's the link to the Discord. Verify yourself. Hey, you're in there. The easiest way to reach me in there is like if you do at Matthew Manuel or whatever. If you like tag me in a post, it's like I'll see it, even though it's been kind of weird about that lately. And yeah, it's like if you see that and do that, that's best way to reach me is tag me in a post and I'll see it. Appreciate the content. I'm here trying to learn this market game. Any help? Hey, appreciate your appreciation, family. I also appreciate the 76 of you that made sure to scroll down and smash the like button. Very much appreciated. All right. Thanks for your teachings and have a great. Hey, you too, Nicole. Have a very blessed day. Yeah, very many blessings your way. INTC at weekly low. You ready to go along with? You said weekly. Oh, it is. It is. And last time it was at these levels was like 2010. That's crazy. Honestly, this would be a good point to buy actually. I'm not going to, but this is a good point to buy. So actually, yeah, it is. How long do you usually stream? I usually go about, I guess, like 2 hours. Yeah, opens. Yeah, so like an extra 15 minutes would be about usually when I stop. Sometimes I go a little longer, sometimes I go a little shorter, but on average about 2 hours. What's the bottom for Palantir? This could have been, but my full on target for the bottom today is 65.50. I would say like we got Euro close in 15 minutes, so like kind of after that, beware. We could get a lot of buying pressure, and that could really push things up, but it could also really sell things off as well. So just kind of see how it goes there. After this 15-minute candle on Palantir, if this is blue, all right, bye-bye to the Palantir trade. Tesla going to go up. So if we really like zoom out and look at Tesla, ever since December 18th, Tesla has been in a downtrend and it has been respecting this trend line. Today it tested the trend line again and is currently rejecting. So in the future it will go back up, but is it going to right now? We will need some candles to close to really figure out. If we zoom out and look at Tesla on the weekly, it's like Tesla is still like really far up and whatnot. Oh, I think I cleared the charts. Here, let me. It's still up really far, but there is a trend line. I think you might be able to draw it from here. Let me. I don't know. I had like a nice trend line on Tesla. Maybe it's like this one right here. Yeah, here we go. So if you take this right here, like from the bottom, Tesla back to April of 2024, that was kind of the bottom, and you take this and draw it on the weekly, Tesla is still way up here, and there's a good chance Tesla will still come back to retest this trend line. And if you kind of factor that in, and you kind of take like if Tesla stays at this level and doesn't move down anymore, it would pretty much be consolidating until, I mean, it can go higher, but it would pretty much stay above this level until, or have to stay above this level until like October of this year. Whereas if it decides, hey, we're going to pull back really fast, it could come back to this 260 level. Like there's still unfilled gaps on the weekly down to 224. There's an unfilled gap to like 271. So the next, I'm not as concerned about the lower one, but I think we will retest like the 272 level at some point on Tesla. So I had like a heavier position in Tesla. I have greatly reduced my position size in Tesla and taken a lot of profits on it. I do intend on getting back in on Tesla, but doing more of like a large buy whenever it kind of comes in. I have one called ACIC. It's a casualty insurance company. It's also a SPAC. With all these natural disasters, I think it's a safe bet. Interesting. Let's see. Interesting. Yeah, it's like, hey, honestly, it's almost like all these natural disasters are being manufactured. And who who else to be behind it but an insurance company? Hey, it's all just speculation. Definitely definitely don't take that as fact. I'm just talking right now. All right. With all the wait, okay. You think Donald Trump going to boost the markets? Um, I think in the end, yes, but I think there will definitely be ups and downs. Like, I wouldn't just go in thinking, oh, Donald Trump's in the office, so it's going to be 4 years of consistent upness. I think we're definitely going to have our ups and downs with Donald. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if, like, for instance, whenever all these tariffs start getting implemented, I wouldn't be surprised if the market comes down. Like, that's some stuff that needs some time to adjust to. So it's like the thought that everything's going to be all sunshine and rainbows with Donald Trump. I don't think so personally. The community goodness, you're right though. Hey, I'm saying honestly, I don't like the idea of insurance. In my opinion, it's like a scam, but it's like you're forced to buy it. But I mean, it's definitely good to have when you need it. But it's like also like for those people, I'm okay. Let's think of it from the perspective of car insurance. Like you are required to have it, and like for all the responsible drivers and whatnot, you spend all this time. You said I work in insurance. It is all a scam. Hey, I feel a little bit better hearing you say that, but it's like, you drive well, and it's like, oh, let me. It's really sad. The home damages. Oh no, yeah, it's really bad when it's home because, these are people's lives, and it's like I've seen like, sometimes these insurance companies like I understand most of the time it's not the individual, it's the company and like trying to work with profit margins and stuff. But it's like there's a certain amount that you need to actually like get your house fixed or whatnot. It's like, oh, you might get 20% of that. I don't know, maybe I'm cutting down. But it's like, oh, maybe you get 40% of that. How are you supposed to buy like 40% of the house? Fintech, would you consider it in that sector at least? Are you talking about ACIC? I don't really think about like categorizing things. But if I were thinking like fintech, I think like SoFi and like if Derive AI had a ticker symbol, I would think of Derive AI as fintech, and I would say Robinhood. I would think is just what was I gonna say? I would think Robinhood. I think of that as fintech, even though it's like a brokerage. I don't know. It's not really a scam. The company just have to grant more certainty with policy and benefits. Huh. I, you know what? It might not be. Let me actually look at the definition of a scam because it's like these days the definition of things have gotten kind of loose. I just don't like that we're forced to buy it. Yeah, I sold my Palantir. I sold it at a huge loss. I sold it for like 5. All right, so let me look at the definition of scam because I'm just a dishonest scheme, a fraud. Okay, so I wouldn't, by that definition, I wouldn't call insurance dishonest. I would just say like, oh, to me it's like unfair. Honestly, I don't expect things to be fair in this world. I don't think anything in this world is truly fair. So the idea of fairness, I don't know why we strive for that anyway, because nothing is fair. But I don't know. I just don't like it. We'll just leave it at that and leave it alone. Can you withdraw money from Robinhood after you made some money? Yeah, you can. It just certain things kind of depend. Like you might be limited to how much you can withdraw. Like if you made money on Robinhood, depending on your account's type and whatnot, you're only going to be able to withdraw what's settled. And oftentimes it'll just be the profit. So if you have a cash account, you use $100 for a trade, and that trade goes up by $100. All right, the $100 you use is not going to be able to be withdrawn. That's going to need to be withdrawn like the next day if you want to withdraw it. And then that $100 profit, if you don't use that to make another trade, then you can withdraw that same day. But the money that you actually use for the trade, you can't withdraw same day. It's wrong to sell a policy that you know won't cover the house if a storm does come through. When it comes to right and wrong, that comes down to you. It's like there's a lot of when I worked at Best Buy. Whenever they tried to get us to like push credit cards on people, my thing was not to push. My thing was to tell people all the good and the bad that can come from it. Like just give people all the information and like let them make the decision themselves. And it was like, yo, when you put it in their hands, it's all good. But yeah, I feel like if it's not going to cover everything someone needs to be covered, yeah, you need to educate them. If you're like, oh yeah, they're going to buy this policy and this is what they think is happening, and they don't, and they're not fully aware, yeah, that's messed up. Can you check IWM? Yeah. IWM, right now is kind of in a downtrend. There is a supply zone up here. Well, actually, it looks like it already tapped into it. Oh, wait, hold on 1 second. So on the 4-hour, there's a supply zone. Looks like it already tapped into the 4-hour supply. So now, like overall, you would expect, like just with the trend and everything, we tapped in here, you would expect for us to make our way back down here. But also, as of right now, first high, second high. Yeah, so you would expect to come make a new low, or at least run and test this like this 215 like 80 level. That's where I would expect IWM to kind of make its way to next. Could come on and make a new low, but as of right now, that's kind of what it's pushing on the 4-hour. 1 hour, a little bit of a different story. Got your first low here. It might, like on the 1 hour, I could see it coming, maybe sweeping this low right here. Retesting. Oh, honestly, like just retesting like this 118 or 218, 219 level, and then trying to like come down to a lower level, or coming back down to like retest that level I originally said. I mean, most insurance companies are not honest in the heart. Yeah, that's not what's up. XXIA halt B4 VI go. Here, let's see. XXA. All right, yeah. IA. Wait, what? XXIA. Is that right? Oh, no problem, family. Have a good day. Good night, Skittles. Sweet dreams. Spy, 580 support. Not even retesting. Retesting what? So Spy is I mean it's spent some time going up. So it already came down. It already kind of retested. It did this before the market opened. And now it's on its way down. So it kind of already satisfied what it needed to satisfy here. So we'll see. No problem. No problem. Life with T. Keller. Let's see. Looking for a bounce back at 580 could potentially hold up as support. Like it looks like we did get a little buy support action up there. Almost at 100 likes. Let's go. Oh, can we get to 100 likes? Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of, we got 86 people on. That means we got some people that are lurking that aren't liking. If that was the case, or if that is the case. But yeah, I wasn't able to see whatever Brian was talking about, our brother B. Here, let's see. How we looking on the Qs? All right, so Qs, they came back and kind of, here, let's go up to a 4. Let's see. Yeah, it's like we're riding the 13 EMA down, kind of. Oh, shoot. Oh, y'all just kind of showed up. Y'all just came out of nowhere. Got the likes up to 95. Oh, yeah. Y'all definitely waited till the end to kind of show up and smash the like button. I see we at 96 now. Definitely been lurking and not liking. Where they do that at? Dang. Okay. That don't even make sense. Yeah, y'all are playing with my heart. I'll bring these good trades. Hold up. What was we got Palantir. I think it had hit 85% earlier. It's currently at 61%. That's still money. And then even the Tesla, I mean, it's definitely pulled back, but that's still at 53% too. So even if you're still holding now, yo, those are hey, that's good profit right there. But hey, yeah, good stuff. Appreciate y'all coming through, getting it to the triple digits, 102 likes with only 92 people on. Okay. Hey, I'm here for it. All right, so we got Euro closed like what was it, 3 minutes ago? Let's kind of check the volume real quick. Volume still seems kind of low. Let's go down and look at Tesla on the kind of want to see what the EMA looks like. Let's go look on the 15. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for the day, family. So in summary, today with the trades, to those of you that if y'all took anything, the pound here is currently up 64. Honestly, I probably would have been out at 55. It had hit 55 over here. And then Tesla, that's going to be when I have to swing. If I had day trades, I would cut out of it, but that's when I have to swing. So it is what it is. Currently at 42%. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Appreciate every one of y'all that smashed the like button. Appreciate all of y'all that are lurking. Let's see. Hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day. Peace out, Moo. Peace out, Life with T. Keller. Peace out, D Community. Skittles already out of here. Peace out, Mahishu. Mass 3DRC, 80 Films. Yeah. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Some Asian guy, real MVP today. All right, yeah. Have a blessed day. Peace.